Hi, this is Ju. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my time. But I wanna share one English sentences for you guys. Yeah, that is one of my favorite sentences. The sentence is a small step lead to a big result. You know, that's have a lot of meanings for me because it reminds me I don't have to be a perfect, I don't have to improve very fast, but I have to take a small step every single day. Yeah, so for example, I practice speaking every single day, right? And also I learn some words, I watch a short English video. Maybe I feel small, but if I do this every day, I believe it, I will improve. Sometimes I feel I'm impatient, sometimes I feel I don't think my English is not good enough, and these sentences also help me to stay calm and continue. And if you are also learning something, I wanna say, please don't give up and please stay with me on this channel. Yeah, and also don't forget to give me subscribe my video and also like and share. Thank you so much for watching my video. That's all for today and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.